Okay, good day. Could you please introduce yourself?
Hello, good day, Mom and Sir. I am Janice Tiwana. I am 34 years old. I live at Antipolo City. I am high school graduate. I am single. I have 5 siblings, 3 brothers and 2 sisters. Their age are 42, 40, 38, 36, and 20.
Tell me about your working experience as a domestic helper.
I worked as domestic helper last 2021 and 2023.
How many helpers in the house?
It's only me.
Did you renew your contract?
No, Mom, but I want to expand my experience as domestic helper in another country.
Okay, what will you do in the house start from the morning?
First, I will fix myself, prepare the foods for my employer, and clean the house, including the windows and walls, washing clothes, ironing, and sometimes I wash the car of my employer.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong to support my future needs.
Okay, how can you manage your homesick?
For the For the technology now, I can call them on my rest day.
Okay, tell me about your experience in taking care of newly born baby.
And taking care of newly born baby, you need to give them food, change diaper, take a bath, change diaper, and change clothes, fertilize the bottle, and prepare the vitamins.
What will you do if the baby has a fever? Yun yung...
First, if the baby is sick, I will get the temperature, check the baby, and call my employer that the baby is sick.
Do you have experience of taking care of elderly?
Yes, I have experience on taking care of elder. I treat them like my grandmother or a parent.
Can you promise not to break your 2 years contract, and how could you manage it?
I promise not to break my 2-year contract to show my positivity, my positive attitude to my employer, and I promise to finish whatever commitment signed with them.
Can you sing a song like nursery rhymes?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Okay, tell me about your cooking experience.
I just cook Asian food like bihon, sinigang, adobo, and willing to learn in another.
Okay, tell me what time do you sleep at night and what do you do before sleeping?
I sleep at night as long as I finish all the work, all my duties before sleeping, and I'll make sure that all the windows and doors are locked.
Give me any messages for your future employer.
Hi, Mom and Sir. I am Janice Tiwana. Please choose me as your domestic helper. I promise to be hardworking, patient, honest, and trustworthy person. God bless.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Mom.